Do you want to know how you can place a bet on 1xBet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can place a bet using 1xBet. Go ahead and open any browser and go to 1xbet.com and make sure that you are logged into your account and you have deposited some money on your account. Then you can see some of the live matches going on over here. For you to bet, you must click on this one over here, either the lose one or the win. And you can see you can also bet on some other categories, so you can check what is this. And let's suppose I want to bet in this. I'll click on it and you can see on the right hand side this betting menu will pop up. You can see my bets over here and your bet slip over here. Now you can increase or decrease your stake from here, and you can see the potential winnings over here as well. Then go ahead and click place a bet and click OK. Then go ahead and click OK again. And you can place a bet this way. Make sure that you have deposited some money, or else you can do this right here as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can place a bet using 1xBet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.